Namaste everyone. Welcome to fourth lecture of triangles. In this lecture we are going to see criteria for similarity of triangles. We know that two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. That is, in triangle ABC and DEF, if angle A equal to D, angle B equal to E and angle C equal to F, and ratio of AB to DE will be equal to BC upon EF will be equal to CA upon FD, then the two triangles are similar. Here A corresponds to D, B corresponds to E and C corresponds to F. Symbolically, we write the similarity of these triangles as triangle ABC. We use this symbol which you are seeing on the board, triangle DEF, and read this as triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now this sign stands for is similar to. It must be noted that the similarity of two triangles should also be expressed symbolically using the correct correspondence of their vertices. For example, for triangle ABC and DEF, we cannot write triangle ABC similar to triangle EDF. Now, triangle EDF, whether I say triangle DEF or I say triangle EDF, it is one and the same, that is, I am talking about this particular triangle. But when I am mentioning similarity, I have to check the correspondence of vertices. So as vertex A is corresponding to vertex D, so the position of A and D should same. So here if I am starting triangle with vertex A, so this second triangle should also be start with vertex D, which is corresponding to A. So I have to maintain the correspondence while writing the similarity of triangles. So I cannot write triangle ABC similar to triangle EDF or triangle ABC similar to triangle FED. However, we can write triangle BAC similar to triangle EDF. For checking similarity of triangles, we need not have to check all 6 pairs of corresponding parts. Let us understand with the help of following theorem. Theorem 6.3, AAA criteria. Now we have already seen that when two triangles are similar, then all the 3 angles are equal to all 3 corresponding angles and ratio of 3 sides are equal. Now, if in two triangles I have all angles of one triangle is equal to angles of other triangle, they are similar. Now that we are going to see here. So the theorem is, if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in same ratio and hence the two triangles are similar. So it is given that triangle ABC and in triangle DEF, angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E and angle C equal to F. Now when angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, we have to first prove that their corresponding sides are in equal ratio, that is AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon DF, and hence I have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now for this we will do a small construction. We take point P and Q on side DE and DF in such a way that DP is equals to AB and DQ is equals to AC, and we join PQ. Now let us see how we prove. We have to keep in mind that what we have to prove. We have to prove that ratio of corresponding sides are equal, right? Now for that, first I will take triangle ABC and triangle DPQ and I will first prove that they are congruent. So for congruency, we know that AB equal to DP as we have seen in the construction. Angle A equal to angle D, it is given, and side AC equal to side DF or I say DQ. So therefore I will say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ by SAS criteria. This we have already learned in 9th standard. Here AC equal to DF, and instead of DF write DQ. Now as these two triangles are congruent, angle B will be equals to angle P by corresponding parts of congruent triangle. But we already know that this angle B is equals to angle E, so I can say that angle P and angle E are equal. Now as angle P and angle E are equal, I can say that this side PQ is parallel to side EF. This is converse of corresponding angle theorem, right? When corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. Now in triangle DEF, PQ is parallel to EF. Therefore I can say that DP upon PE is equals to DQ upon QF by basic proportionality theorem. Now I will use invertendo property and I will write PE upon DP equal to QF upon DQ. Here what I want to prove that this DP upon DE ratio is equals to DQ upon DF, and hence in place of DP I can write AB and in place of DQ I can write AC. So I can say that AB upon DE is equals to AC upon DF, right? So for that I want this DP as it is and I want DE. So therefore I use this invertendo property so that my DP will not change. Now I add 1 on both the sides. So after adding 1, I get PE plus DP upon DP equal to QF plus DQ upon DQ. Now you can see in the diagram PE plus DP is equals to DE and QF plus DQ equal to DF. Now in place of DE I will again use invertendo property and I will say that DP upon DE is equals to DQ upon DF. Now this DP is equals to AB and DQ is equals to AC. So I will say that AB upon DE is equals to AC upon DF. Similarly, we can prove that AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EF. For that, we are going to do another construction. We will draw PQ parallel to this DF. So in the same way, we can prove this statement also. Therefore, I can say that AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon DF. So in triangle ABC and in triangle DEF, angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F. This is given, and by using this, what we have proved that AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EF is equals to AC upon DF. As all the 6 conditions are satisfied, I will say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now here, to prove these two triangles, that is ABC and DEF similar, what is given to us? We have given 3 angles of one triangle equal to 3 angles of other triangle. Now if I revise again that what we have done, so here what we have done, we have taken point P and Q on DE and DF in such a way that AB equal to DP and AC equal to DQ. Then first we have proved that triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, they are congruent, and by that we have proved that angle B and angle P are equal. Now angle B and angle E are equal, it is given. So we have proved that this angle P and this angle E, they are equal, and therefore this side PQ and this side EF, they are parallel. Now in triangle DEF, we have used basic proportionality theorem and we have shown that DP upon PE equal to DQ upon QF, and by using invertendo property and then by adding 1, we have proved that this DP upon DE equal to DQ upon DF. Now we replace DP with AB because DP equal to AB and DQ equal to AC. So we got that AB upon DE equal to AC upon DF. In the same way, we can prove that AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF, and hence we can prove that all the 3 pairs of corresponding sides, they are in equal ratio. And hence I will say that this triangle ABC and triangle DEF, they are similar. So this is called AAA criteria of similarity. Now, if two angles of triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then by angle sum property of triangle, their third angle will also be equal. Therefore, this AAA similarity criteria can also be stated as follows. If two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. This may be referred as AA similarity criteria for two triangles. So now, instead of using AAA criteria, we can use AA criteria. That means if in two triangles I have two angles equal to their corresponding angles in other triangle, then I will say that those two triangles are similar to one another. Now let us see one more criteria, that is SSS criteria, that is side criteria. Okay, so let us first see a statement. If in two triangle, side of one triangle are proportional to the sides of other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. So again here it is given that in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon DF. We have to prove that angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E and angle C equal to angle F. And hence we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now we will do a small construction again. We will take 2 points P and Q on side DE and DF such that DP equal to AB and DQ equal to AC, and we join this PQ. Now here these ratios are equal. What we have to prove? We have to prove that three angles, corresponding angles are equal to three corresponding angles, and hence as all the six conditions satisfied, we will say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So now here AB upon DE is equals to AC upon DF, it is given. We replace this AB with DP and this AC with DQ. So I will say that DP upon DE is equals to DQ upon DF. Why we replace this AB with DP? Because their lengths are equal. Now if you see in triangle DEF, DP upon DE equal to DQ upon DF. So by converse of BPT, we can say that this side PQ is parallel to side EF. Now as side PQ is parallel to EF, I can say that angle P and angle E, they are equal, and angle Q and angle F, they are equal. Why? They are corresponding angles. Now in triangle DPQ and triangle DEF, I have angle P equal to angle E and angle Q equal to angle F. So I can say that this triangle DPQ and triangle DEF, they are similar by AA criteria of similarity. As DPQ and DEF are similar, I can say that DP upon DE is equals to DQ upon DF equal to PQ upon EF. They are corresponding parts of similar triangle. Now I already know that DP is equals to AB and DQ is equals to AC. So I can say that AB upon DE is equals to AC upon DF equal to PQ upon EF. But it is given that AB upon DE is equals to AC upon DF equal to BC upon EF. So from this what we conclude? We conclude that this PQ and this BC, they are equal. Now we will take triangle ABC and we take triangle DPQ. Now in these two triangles, AB equal to DP, it is construction, AC equal to DQ, this is also construction, and just now we have proved that BC equal to PQ. So triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, they are congruent by SSS congruency criteria. So I have angle A equal to angle D because these two triangles are congruent, so their corresponding angles will be equal. and angle B equal to angle P and angle C equal to angle Q. Now we already know that this angle P and angle E, they are equal, and angle Q and angle F, they are equal. Okay, we have already seen in equation 1. So from equation 1 and from this corresponding parts of congruent triangle, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. We have three sides given in equal ratios. Here we have proved that the three angles, that is angle A and angle D, are equal, angle B and angle E are equal, and angle C and angle F are equal, and hence triangle ABC and DEF are similar. Now again, if we revise what we have done here, so in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, it is given that AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon DF. It is given, and we have to prove that their corresponding angles are equal, and hence we have to prove that they are similar triangles. Now for that, what we have done initially, we have proved that this triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF, and hence we first proved that this angle P and angle E is equal to angle Q and angle F. Next, what we have done, we have proved that this triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, they are congruent triangles, and as they are congruent triangles, angle A angle D equal, angle B angle P equal. Now as P and E equal, so I can say that angle B and angle E equal, and angle C is equal to angle Q, and as already we have proved that angle Q and angle F are equal, so angle C equal to angle F, and hence we have proved that three angles of this triangle ABC are equal to their corresponding angles of triangle DEF, and hence we have proved that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So if two triangles are given to you and their corresponding sides are in ratio, then those two triangles are similar. Okay. Now let us see the third theorem, side angle side criteria. Side angle side criteria. Here the statement is, if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, what is given? We have given that AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF, and we have given this angle A and angle D are equal. Now we have to prove that triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar triangles. Here we will take 2 points P and Q on side DE and side DF respectively. So as we have done in previous two theorems, in the same way we are doing construction here also. So we have taken 2 points P and Q such that this DP is equal to AB and this DQ is equal to AC respectively, and we join this PQ. Now in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, if you see, you have AB equal to DP, you have angle A equal to angle D, and you have AC equal to DQ. So you can say that this triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, they are congruent triangles by SAS congruency criteria. Now as these two triangles are congruent, I have angle B equal to angle P and angle C equal to angle Q. Now AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF. As AB is equal to DP and AC equals to DQ, I can say that DP upon DE is equal to DQ upon DF. Now you can see that in triangle DEF, as DP upon DE is equal to DQ upon DF, you can say that this PQ is parallel to EF by converse of basic proportionality theorem. And as this PQ and EF parallel, I have angle P equal to angle E and angle Q equal to angle F. Now already we have proved that this angle B and angle P are equal and angle C and angle Q are equal. So I can say that this angle B and this angle E is equal to angle C and angle F. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, I have angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F. So I can say that by AA criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. As I have already proved this AA criteria, therefore in this theorem I can use this AA similarity criteria. So by using AA similarity criteria, my triangle ABC and triangle DEF are proved to be similar. Now, these three theorems you have to practice. So again, revise these theorems, go through it, and then without looking at the textbook, without looking in this video, try to prove all these three theorems. Then we proceed to exercise. Thank you.